Hello everyone and welcome back to my kitchen, and a very happy Christmas and a happy new year to you all. Thank you to all my subscribers for sticking with me the last few months, and I'm looking forward to producing some fabulous videos in the next couple of months. I'm just giving you a little taster of what we had on Christmas Day for our dinner. So we started with this prawn cocktail starter, which is simply lettuce and then tomatoes all chopped up, onions if you like, chopped up small, and then you're ready for your seafood sauce. These are the prawns that I used. They're already cooked and peeled. I just had to let them defrost overnight in the fridge. There they are, and they were absolutely delicious. This is the best starter ever because it's so simple. If you can get this seafood sauce or any seafood sauce like this, you can use it. Add in a few drops of brandy if you want it extra special. We didn't put that in the kids' ones. Also, if you don't have seafood sauce, mix mayonnaise with tomato ketchup. It's the exact same thing. It's absolutely delicious. I had to do that the next day because I ran out of the seafood sauce for our next round of guests. So here you have it. There's the children's ones, and they got the seafood sauce minus the brandy. We got seafood sauce with a few drops of brandy mixed in, and it just makes it extra special for an extra special occasion. And that was our starter. And here's a little taster of what we had for our main course. And I might put together a video if there's an interest in how to cook the goose and the two different types of stuffings that we had. We had potato stuffing and the sausage stuffing, and we had goose for Christmas dinner. And here is the table all set up. We're about to eat our Christmas dinner and enjoy our company. And I hope you had a wonderful Christmas. Thank you all again, especially to the subscribers. Wishing you all a very happy and a holy new year. God bless you all. Bye.